up, YouTubers? Welcome to Drill Demolition. So I've tested it out this morning. Not very fun when you test it out in your house. Ain't that right, kids?
Yeah.
It tells them. Tell them what it did to the house.
It smoked the house up.
Okay, so we're just gonna do something fun to this drill. We're gonna watch it smoke up. Hammer for the kids.
Nope.
And the hammer for the other one. Here.
Here, I'll get the small one. You get the big one.
No, I'll get this one. Alright, so we're gonna watch this drill. And kids under 16 don't do this. But me, I get to do this. So I'm gonna turn this drill on. And we're gonna play back and forth games with the gears. Oh no.
It's smoking.
Oh no, what's happening to my drill?
Smoking. Oh my god.
Okay, so this drill is not very good. Hey, will you open that door? Prop the door open.
Yep.
Prop that door open. Prop that door. Prop the door. Ooh, okay. Okay.
Are we done?
Okay, yep. It threw a fake. Okay, yep. Alright, guys, no more.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Bubba.
No more. It threw a fucking huge spark.
I know.
Can you hear that? A big.
Yeah. When he was doing it, it threw bolts.
Alright. So I'm moving you guys back so you guys don't get hit.
Here, I'll
Sit you guys right there.
fight you. There.
Take turns. First turn's me. Alright, go.
Who's doing mine?
Yeah,
Yeah,
go.
you can go, Jace. I'll go.
I got hold of it. I got hold of it.
1, 2.
This thing's strong.
Okay, I have a turn.
Yeah.
Oh, did it fall over? No, no, no. Good, good.
Yeah. I just gotta watch out, dude.
Smoky, huh?
Hold on, one more.
Are we done?
Oh, Devin, feel how it feels.
Did you do that?
Yeah, me did that.
Alright, I'm gonna get screwdrivers for all of us.
You want me to get you a screwdriver?
I got him. Alright. I got him. There's no one can see me, I'm sorry.
I can kind of see you, Dev. It's kind of hot.
Well, don't touch it then.
Well, it's not that hot. It just feels really warm.
Oh, I have to sit my old butt up.
Huh?
I have to sit my old butt up, kids.
That's okay, Devin.
Whoa. I'm about to hit it again.
Don't, not until I say so.
Wow. Did you find the right one, though?
I have two of them.
You want me to help you?
I have one in here.
Here, let me see. Oh, there's one right here, Bubba.
Here, here. That one's here.
Oh, I get the small one?
Alright, so both of us take turns.
Who's mine?
Both of us get to take turns. We just get to, you get to share them with each other.
Yeah.
So Keely and Ethan, you share your guys' tools, okay?
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna tear the screws out of here.
You want me to start helping you, Dev?
So take the screw, look.
I
Put
know.
the screw right here.
Yeah.
Put it down there and start turning.
Don't strip the screw though.
So guys, have you ever seen a drill smoke out like that before?
No, I
Comment down below if you guys haven't. Say no or yes.
almost got it.
If you get it, send it to me. We're gonna see what this drill has inside of it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
I did it. Here you go, Dev.
The screw?
And
Yeah, you know where the screw is, right? Right there? I got a hold
Right
of
here,
it.
this way.
here, I'll get it up for you.
Just get started for me. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. You guys glad we have kids out here today? Comment down below.
I love you, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, guys. This is our 4th Christmas video.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a lot of Christmas videos. Here, guys.
We got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's not
This fucking
getting in
cord's
there.
thick.
Looks like you're turning it back in. Here.
I'm not.
It looks like you are.
Alright, if you need help, let me know.
Ouch. My hair. My hair got stuck in there.
Cutting the cord off.
Whoa.
No more cord.
Jace, he cut the cord open.
Oh my.
Off, yep.
You want me to put it in the garbage?
Get in there, motherfucker. Haha, haha, haha.
I did crack the screen door open.
Not ready?
Nope, you gotta get the two front here, Jace.
Hey, Jay,
get
Jay,
this
you want me to
one.
help you? Want me to help you? Want me to help you?
I got it. Hold on.
I'll
I
get
have
it.
to get that screw out.
Where did my screwdriver go? Go help.
It's almost out. He's still on the one where it wouldn't come out. Almost got it.
Let me see my hammer.
Oh, it went back in there.
Let me see it. Let me see it. I'll get it.
Oh, okay. It's in there. Oh,
It's
wrong
not that
wrong
one. It's the other one.
I'm gonna take them out.
Oh,
So,
I
all
almost got it.
right, I'm gonna take them out so you guys can see it. All right. Just move your hand. I'll take it out so you guys can see it.
You know, have you bit in there?
That's not mine.
Oh, you gonna take it out?
I don't know whose bit it is, so we're gonna take it out. Yeah.
And
You have to
Devin's
take it out.
gonna keep it.
Come on, Bob.
Yeah. Watch out. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. I'll get it. God, this motor's hot. YouTubers. Touch the motor right there. Feel how hot that is.
Whoa, that is hot.
Yeah, it definitely smoked itself out.
Yeah, it sure did. That
Okay.
one won't come out. Here, that,
Below.
I almost got it out.
Move your hand. Move
I did.
your hand. I'm gonna get it
Hold
out.
on. Bubba.
Huh?
Are they still on?
What?
The YouTubers?
Yeah. Why?
Find one. You just can comment below and Merry Christmas.
Yeah, if they weren't on, I wouldn't say that. Huh? Move.
There's screws on the thingy right here, though.
Yeah, well, watch this.
Oh my. That's
You
a,
broke it.
Yeah.
What is this?
Well, watch your hand, and I'll show you. Watch your hand. Let me see what it is. Let me see.
Here,
It's a switch.
there's the motor.
Hot.
No, yeah, that's the motor.
Ooh, feel how hot that is. Feel. It's barely touch. Barely touch.
Ooh,
That's hot, huh?
that hurts.
Not hot. Ooh, yeah, that's a.
Wow,
Mmm.
that burned me.
oh my.
Should we let it cool down, Dev?
Oh, wow.
How about you put some gloves on, Dev?
Never do that.
Here, I get you some.
Come on, Bubba.
I remember what drawer they're in.
No, they're back here. Back here. Back here.
Okay.
See where my hand is? Back here. Okay, guys. So I'm getting some gloves so I can show you what this looks.
It's pretty funny.
It's hot and it's funny. It's hot, hot, funny.
Where are, oh, I found them.
I need just one pair. One. Here.
Just one glove.
Yeah, because I'm going to hold it with one hand. Quit beating on it, you.
Can I have one, Dev?
No, because you're not going to hold it. I'm going to hold it.
Oh,
I'm gonna
there's a stink bug on it.
kill it.
It's dead. It froze. You also have your hard hat.
Yeah, don't mess with it. Let me see that other glove. Trade me. I think this one don't fit. I'll put it back in there.
Cause it fall. Whoa.
But you gotta return it.
I know.
I was just telling you, okay?
Alright, so I'm gonna show you this little motor here. It's like,
That's not the motor, Dev.
yeah, this is a hot piece.
Oh.
Alright, so here's our hot piece right here.
Oh, Dev, it's not in the picture.
Right here, here's our hot piece right here.
There you go.
That's the hot piece.
And there's another hot piece.
Well, let me get it out.
Woo! And it's up towards the right here, Dev. Wrong piece, bub. Yep. Do you need wire cutters?
I got wire cutters right here.
Here they are. You want me to cut the wires?
I got them. Where'd my scissors go? Scissors go. Scissors.
Oh, what?
Here, Dev. Those are scissors.
This is not the hottest piece, but
Still hot.
Oh, Devin, I think you got it off.
almost. Almost.
You still have some wires to cut.
Yeah, a couple of them.
Scissors? Don't run away from me.
They're like, it's too hot. I don't want to touch.
No, it's not. Never hurt you.
What's that white piece?
Show you in a minute.
Now, right wire?
It's for the trigger.
You got the thing off. Now you just need to cut those 3 wires.
The blue wires.
And there's 4 of them.
You hold it.
You got the motor off.
That's,
It's a trigger.
Yeah, that's the trigger.
Alright, so here is our trigger. Here is our trigger right there.
Right there,
Watch out, move
Oh,
your hand.
it's
Here is our trigger right there. So, let's throw this way. Almost.
yeah, so do
Almost.
going.
That's what the hell going.
back a little bit.
That's the motor.
I'm gonna put my gloves back on so I can show you this motor here.
Whoa, this thing is heavy.
Alright, throw that away.
Oh, do you want me to take off the big piece
Yeah, so
on
do
it?
I.
Yeah. Woo!
Alright, so here is our. Ooh!
That thing is hot.
That thing is so hot. Don't ever touch it unless you're 25 or under or over. So that's our motor right there.
This thing's my favorite.
That's our motor.
They can't see it.
That's our motor.
Yo, just
That's our motor right there.
That's
right
good. Yep,
there.
they just saw a little bit, but it's still
Ew.
good.
That stinks.
Did you make it?
Don't be touching it though. Okay. So, where did the bit go?
The bit this?
Yeah.
That's not the bit.
Where did the thing that had the bit on it
You
though?
just, this has the
This,
bit.
it's gone. Right, get away.
Okay. So the last thing we have, and someone, if they can comment down below here, we have a Phillips bit that was still on this thing from when I got it from the Goodwill warehouse. If someone can comment down below, hey, that's my bit, or hey, you know, I have a bit like that or whatever, this is my bit now. But, so someone can comment, I got it.
It's the wrong way there.
I got this. Anyways, if someone can comment down below, this is my bit, I got a bit just like that, and I put it on the drill and left it on there. Anyway, if they can comment down below, you know, what they see, you know, have they seen a bit like this before. But anyway, this is my my bit now. Well, you know what? Since we're on YouTube, hand me that little hammer. Well,
That's not a little hammer. It just has the little hammer.
yeah. You know what we're going to do this bit, guys?
We're gonna
What?
destroy it.
Hmm?
If we can. Where'd it go?
YouTubers. YouTubers.
Not wait.
One last time here. Strong, huh? Holy heck!
Keep on kicking it to you.
Where is my wire cutters?
How do you? It's his wire cut tool.
They're on the other side of you. Right here. I got them.
Alright, so we're gonna see what happens if you put this bit in a wire cutter.
Because Devin's main kill tool on it, huh?
Yeah. Oh, dang.
Are you leaving?
I don't know.
I gotta go. I know, I gotta go.
Oh, yeah. So I don't think this bit will ever break. But what I think has happened is this bit is gonna stay in my possession, but this bit's gonna go bye-bye. So say bye to the bit.
Hey, I'm Deb. I'm gonna give
Alright.
you something to eat.
Alright, so that's the end of that video. Anyone likes it, whatever, you can comment down below. So, hand me my other hammer.
Okay, it's right here. Here you go.
Alright, so that's the end of that video. Anyone likes it, dislike it, whatever, they can comment down below. That's the end of the video. Demolition Devin. Peace.